There are two methods of creating mailing labels in our system. One method uses the public records search within Matrix, and the other uses Realist. Today, we will go over how to create mailing labels in public record search. Start by searching for properties. In this example, I will choose an area using the map search. Once I have my results, I'll select all of them and then click Print. The display options on the print page include a list of mailing labels that I can choose from. For my example, I will make labels that use the owner's name and the property address. Matrix will generate a PDF containing the labels, and I can save them to my device. There are several mailing label configurations to choose from. Current resident will address the mailing label to the current resident of a property. Owner name will address the mailing label to the owner of record for the property. The property address refers to the actual address of the property. The tax address refers to the owner's mailing address, which may be different from the property address. Make sure you select the configuration that makes the most sense for your marketing strategy. If you go back to your results screen, you can also export a list of mailing information. From the results screen, check the desired addresses. Then, click on Export. You can then select Owner Information in the drop-down menu. Click Export again to download a CSV file that has both the address of the property and the owner mailing address according to the public record. You can share this report with your marketing team in order to generate labels in a way that makes sense for you. Alternatively, you can use Realist tags to generate labels. For a tutorial on how to use the Realist tags method, click on the link in the description. If you have questions that were not answered in this tutorial, you can contact MLS support by emailing mls@cvrmls.com.